Hello everyone, Straydog Bill Arnold, co-founder of Straydog No-Kill Dog Shelter and Sanctuary at straydog.org. Also known as Straydog Billy on my YouTube channel, where today Erin and I are going to be doing song number 1715.
That's right.
In 1715 days in a row. I haven't missed yet, doing one song every day since August 7th of 2020. And here we are almost 5 years later. Soon in August it'll be 5 years. Doing another one. We're going to keep on doing one song every day until homeless dogs and cats are no longer killed, no longer euthanized in the kill shelters across our country, because when they run out of space, there is nothing else they can do. They have to start killing the poor dogs and cats, perfectly healthy dogs and cats who could have a full life, but they're having to kill them because we run out of space. And this can all be stopped if we can get everybody on board to spay and neuter their pets. Please, everybody, conception control in the dog and cat world is the answer. Spay and neuter all your pets, and also
there's low-cost spay and neuter clinics with regular vets that volunteer their time, and anyway, it's a little bit cheaper, so you can get it done.
Google that and find out where they are in your area, and they're all over the country now.
Make an appointment.
Yeah.
Or see what you have to do. Like, you have to bring them in by
also share this video with other people to try to get more people on board. Subscribe to the video, because that has a lot to do with the algorithms.
Adopt from an animal shelter.
Adopt from an animal shelter, and spay and neuter your own dogs and cats, and we'll get a hold of this problem. Now today we're going to do a song from Rolling Stones that I've changed the lyrics a little bit to fit Straydog Shelter. It's called Gimme Straydog Shelter. So here we go. Are you ready?
Ready.
Here we go. Yeah. Is threatening my very life today. If I don't find some shelter, oh yeah, I'm gonna fade away. Home Straydog is just a yes away. At adoption day, a new home for you, Straydog. It's just a yes away. At adoption day. Is sweeping my very street today. Gotta find me a no-kill shelter before the dog cats will sweep me away. Home Straydog, it's just a yes away. At adoption day, a new home for you, Straydog. It's just a yes away. At adoption day. Euthanasia is just a shot away, just a shot away. Euthanasia is just a shot away, just a shot away. No-Kill Shelter for the dog catchers we me away. Home to Straydog, just a kiss away. At adoption day, a new home for you, Straydog. It's just a kiss away. At adoption day, home's a yes away. Home's a yes away. Home's a yes away. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, please, everybody, spay and neuter your dogs and your cats, and let's get a whole conception in the dog and cat world. And we'll be back again tomorrow with another song from Straydog Billy and Erin.